Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, today we have an urgent update because yesterday, before we get to this massive support area to retest it, I told you that if we're going to touch this support for the third time, we're going to have a breakout. And guys, it happened. We saw the breakout at exactly this area after couple hours that I create the video. We saw the breakout at area at around $22,875 and we drop immediately to the lowest point, which was exactly the $22,527 and then we saw another impulsive move with a reversal and we jumped back to this rise wedge pattern. We saw some parallel move to this very strong support area of this rise wedge pattern, which it seems right now, guys, that we had already broke it for one more time and probably gonna move to the downside. So guys, on this video I'm gonna tell you why I believe that we're gonna see anytime soon a big drop on the Bitcoin price according to fundamentals in the short term. And also guys, I will tell you something that most people don't see currently, which is this MACD indicator in the daily time frame, which as you can clearly see, we are going for a flip, and this flip is gonna probably collapse the price of the Bitcoin. So guys, on this video I'm gonna speak for all these beautiful things about the short term and also for the mid long term. I'm gonna analyze everything. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because guys, with this way you help me a lot to push video to more people via YouTube algorithm, and the process of this help is very simply it's daily like, daily comments, share with your friends, your social media. This is exactly what all I need from you as a help, and appreciate you to everyone who participate to this support. A big thank you to all of you, and let's jump straight to the 1 hour time frame to begin our analysis, because guys, you have a very big bearish pattern, which is this rise wedge pattern. And as you can clearly see, we have the beautiful formation A move, B move, C move, and D move. And actually, I told you that we're gonna see this rise wedge pattern formation the time that we had here a downtrend movement. We broke with this insane manipulate pump that happened, and we pumped from $22,527 up to $23,800 in just a couple hours, which is absolutely crazy. This kind of pump in just 3 hours, we pumped over 5%, which on the Bitcoin price is a lot. And guys, you can clearly see that immediately we came back and retest the support area with this D move. And guys, I had told you that if we won't continue the pump to the upside from this area, if you remember the time that we were actually watching this kind of pump live, I told you that if we're gonna see a reversal, we're gonna form a rise wedge pattern, which is very dangerous. And actually right now we have this rise wedge pattern live, which we are retesting the support. And guys, you can clearly see lots of ups and downs on this parallel support, and currently we broke it again for one more time. And I believe, guys, for me this rise wedge pattern is still valid, and I believe with that breakout we're gonna move to the downside. And I'm very sure, guys, no matter what is about to happen in the short term, I'm gonna show you also in the long term the MACD, which is the most accurate indicator in this current part. That's flash me that we're probably gonna see the big rejection, of course, with RSI, and if you combine, guys, those two indicators, you can actually see very clear what's the next move in the long term. So currently, as you can clearly see, I'm gonna speak about the technical price target on this rise wedge pattern for one more time, because currently we have a different price target because the breakout happened in a higher level. And you can clearly see, guys, that we're talking for a technical price target at around $20,708, and I believe, guys, this is very reasonable price target, and it's actually easy to get there, because I believe that we're gonna see a big free fall, guys, the time that we're gonna see this kind of fall time going exposed as a bull trap. Okay, we're gonna have you're gonna see that we're gonna have a crazy rejection with a very big distance from the first point to the end point. And as you can clearly see, guys, right now we have a very strong resistance area, which right now it's going to retest as a support. And this area is the $21,490, which I believe the first touch point is going to be here. We're going to retest this with some consolidation phase, and then we're going to drop to this technical price target. And guys, right now we're gonna see the EMA rebound, which as you can clearly see in the 1 hour time frame is going for a retest, because currently we standing in a bullish area of the EMA rebound, but we retesting very strong the as a support. And if we break it and we move to the downside, we're gonna have the flip on this EMA rebound, which gonna actually indicate us that we're gonna see a very big imminent drop furthermore for the Bitcoin price. And if we actually see the exponential moving average cross 50 and 200, guys, if you remember from yesterday, I told you that the time that we're gonna see this kind of flip, we're gonna start moving very low on the Bitcoin price, and I'm expecting to see this kind of flip very soon. So let's move, guys, to the daily time frame, because here we have two very big reliable indicators. And the first indicator for me is the RSI. Look at this, guys. Currently we're standing in a crazy overbought position. We are still in overbought position. 81 RSI points is insane, huge, guys, and this for me indicates me that currently this kind of pump, it's not by big and real investors, it's happening by whales, and subsequently with the hypers and firmwares and traders. Okay, but at the end of the day, guys, the guys who gonna wreck out badly, first it's gonna be the firmwares and the hypers, and secondly it's gonna be the traders, because the big whales gonna sell off massively, gonna take all the profits since the area of $17,000, which is insane, which we're talking for a very big number. You can clearly see 41% of PAM, they can actually get all this profit and actually short their positions and get another profit. So that's why how whales manipulate the market. Okay, it's very simply, and they doing that because fundamentals currently are bearish, and they want actually to confuse you. Okay, because currently everyone wants to see Bitcoin over $100,000, but for see prices like that, we need good fundamentals. We can see prices over $100,000 with inflation over a 5%, over a 7%, with inflation rates like that, with crazy unemployment rates. We can see prices of the Bitcoin like that. We need first to see good fundamentals, to lower some debts on US and all these economic things outside of the chart, and afterwards subsequently we're gonna see some relief pump and some bullish territory building in very slowly. Okay, don't expect to jump from $20,000 over $50,000 in a month. This is impossible in this current situation that we're standing. This is gonna happen when we're gonna have actually some good news, and of course, first of all, we would have to see the maximum pain of the Bitcoin. We will need to see the last capitulation, which I'm expecting a lot, because guys, I'm expecting one more capitulation. We are very close to see the bullish territory building in, but first we need to see the one more capitulation, which is gonna drop the Bitcoin price very low. So beware of that, beware of those things, and do not close your eyes, because you can get wrecked out very easily. That's why I'm suggesting you to do DCA instead of trading on those areas, because I believe 99% of you are gonna wrecked out badly, and you're gonna lose the chance to build crazy wealth in the bull run by losing money on trading currently. Okay, you should watch the market every day, you should watch the charts, the patterns, and actually educate yourself about the current situation. But when we're talking for about investment and trading, I suggest you currently to invest, because these prices for the Bitcoin and especially for the altcoins are very cheap. It's 90% discount, and instead of buying in a discount, you're actually losing money in your trading positions, and that's very sad. So guys, right now, before I close the video, I would like to show you the most important part of this video, which is the MACD indicator. So you can clearly see here that we have in the daily time frame a very important curve that we're going anytime soon to see the flip. Guys, this kind of flip is going to create massive drop, and it's going to expose all this kind of pump as a trap, and you're going to see a big free fall that is going to happen the time that you're going to see the flip. And guys, this kind of flip, it's gonna happen very soon. We're talking probably in a week, max 2 weeks, in less than those 2 weeks. Okay, it can happen in 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. 13 days, I believe in less than 2 weeks we're gonna see this kind of flip. And as we stay below, guys, of this $25,000, which is the previous height of this bear market, we remain bearish from technicals too. We need actually from technicals to consider something as a bullish territory. We will need actually to see some higher high on the market to create some upturn movement. As we have here a lower high, we remain, guys, bearish. So that's very simply things, and I don't know why lots of people ignore these things, like the Moon Boys and all of these guys. I don't know. Okay, so this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what's your actual opinion about the current situation that we're moving. Every opinion is welcome. I will be happy to see your thoughts. And guys, see you tomorrow with my fresh updates about the altcoins and of course at the end of the day the Bitcoin. Until then, guys, your boy Chris out. Bye.